Hey guys, it's Alec with Southern Trailer. So to start the new year, I want to talk about some basic trailer maintenance tips, things to look out for on the road. Alright guys, so starting out, I want to talk about tires. You want to make sure you're checking the tread periodically, make sure you're not getting improper tire wear, or those tires aren't getting too low to where it's going to be a hazard on the road. Next, coming down, you want to make sure you're servicing those bearings. Last thing you want is a seized bearing that's going to end up scarring your spindle, which can lead to a lot higher costs as time goes on. On dump trailers, you want to make sure you're greasing all the grease fittings. That way you're not getting any improper wear on the metal, and make sure you keep that hydraulic fluid topped off. Right, so on the trailers, you're going to have typically either a 4-pin or a 7-pin connector. Your boat trailers, you could have a 5-pin. But you want to make sure when you plug these in, you're walking around the trailer, you're checking, make sure your lights work. That way you don't have increased hazards on the road. And then, you can put your dielectric grease, anything like that in there to help, kind of seal these and make sure no water intrusion happens. Now, with our brands, they do a sealed wiring harness, which is going to last a lot longer, prevent moisture from getting in, and damaging any of those wires or affecting the connections. So now, if you come around in the back, so if you do notice an electrical issue where, say, a light's not working, or if you hit your brakes, your brake light's not going on, it could be a couple issues. It could be coming from the connector, could be a splice somewhere throughout the wiring harness, or it could just simply be a bad light. Now, you can eliminate that with testers, or if you don't feel comfortable with that, we're more than happy to take a look at it here. We have a team full of expert staff, and they're more than happy to check that. So one way you can avoid some of these very expensive repairs, such as new axles or anything along those lines, is to schedule routine maintenance. You can bring it in, we can check out all these things, we can check your brakes, we can do your bearing services, check your lights. Then you're staying ahead of it, where you have smaller repairs on those things instead of letting it get to a big repair. Give us a call. We're at 850 South River Road, Southern Trailer. Ask for Alec.